Kind of windy out here today. I'd say at least 15-mile-an-hour winds or more. At least 15. You can probably hear it on the camera. Huh? Oh yeah. It does, don't it? I'm pretty far out. I don't want to end up having it end up in the trees. Oh! Come on now, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. I was going to set it down there in the grass, but it was going a little too fast. And you don't use flaps. Not today. I guess you just have to play the wind as best you can. Now the wind has died down. That's nice. All right.